Okay, so today I'm going to show you how we prepare a platform for a new Damsak, and this is the area that we're going to prepare. After leveling this area just by eye with a TLB, I've put up 4 pegs on the corners and put up a bolding line, and I've made this bolding line perfectly horizontal by using a dumpy level that you can see there. So the next step is to make sure that the distance between this horizontal line and the ground is the same all round. And I also have a line that I can shift that's running across to the other line, so that I can shift it to the side and check the middle and make sure that the ground is the same distance from this line for this whole platform. Okay, so the best way to go about it is to find yourself a pipe or a stick or something to measure with, and look around your platform and find the deepest point in your platform. It means the place where the bolding line is the furthest from the ground. Now I've determined this place is the deepest. It looks like the deepest. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mark it on the bolding line. This is the bolding line, and that's difficult to see on the camera, but there I mark the level of the bolding line. And I have already marked the highest point on the platform there. So my platform is going to be in between those 2 points. So I'm choosing a point in the middle there and marking it, and then I'm going to cut the pipe off there. And this pipe is now going to be my measuring stick for getting the whole platform level. So as we come back to this point, you'll see that it's going to be a little bit too low. The line is there, the pipe is there, so it means we're going to fill up a little bit here. If we go to the highest point, it will look something like this, where the line is there and the pipe is there, and it means we're going to dig out a little bit there. So it means that some places we're going to dig out and some places we're going to fill in. So we shouldn't need any more soil to bring into the platform. We can just use the soil that's already on the platform to prepare the whole platform to be perfectly level.